No matter how complicated your corporate data is, we can create a visual tool to combine everything into a convenient and efficient package. By combining technologies from Unity and SmartPixel, our platform can use your data sets to filter your data points and compare information in real time. Our production team works with you to identify and highlight the data you value and required to empower decision makers. With our global map, you can zoom from space down to street level using proprietary geospatial data maps. Location pins resize automatically as you zoom and can be used to showcase what's important to you. Select a location to display an info card with the data you wish to include. Selecting several pins allows you to compare data from across your range. Thank you for sharing this short trip with us, and don't hesitate to contact us to explore your own corporate solution.